Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to change your Twitter sensitivity settings very easily. Well, you can do it within the Twitter app, but the process is the same on desktop or any other situation you're going to go in. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Twitter app. You'll come into a page that probably looks like this, or your main page, or whatever. All you want to do is swipe to the side until you get into this little panel where it shows your following count and all this stuff. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the settings and privacy toggle, which is right here. So click there, you'll come into this panel. Now you want to click on the second option that says privacy and safety. So right up here it says privacy and safety. You just want to go ahead and click that, and you'll see all these other settings that come up right here. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this little safety option right here. Now what this essentially tells you is that it'll basically tell you and potentially hide sensitive tweets or sensitive images, videos that come up. Now, if you, yeah, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but if you're somebody who is like doesn't want to see sensitive material, then obviously you want to keep this enabled. But if you're somebody who wants to keep this disabled and Twitter's not letting you see it otherwise, then this is the toggle you want to disable. So you want to go ahead and disable it. You want to click here. And now, whatever you go on Twitter, you now will be able to see sensitive tweets, which include photos, videos, all that good stuff. But like I mentioned, if you want to keep it on, you can go and keep it on this way. I tend to keep it on because it still gives you the option to view things, but regardless, this is what you can do. So that's how you go ahead and do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.